Oh yeah, you're gonna have like fire butt tonight. I'll put some extra toilet paper on there for you. Hey guys, what's up? It's Chachi, and today
I'm Anicia.
I'm here with Anicia. Anicia was my middle school best friend. I met her in when we were
7th grade.
7th grade, so we're 12, 13, 11. Wow.
That sucks.
She is in town visiting me for the week, and of course I just wanted to put her through some pain. Anicia also likes spicy food, like me. We're big, my mouth is watered so much. She is also a huge michelada fan. Ooh, ooh, ooh. You guys know that I tried this last time, but I had filmed doing 3-pack. No! After doing a Jollibee mukbang, so I wanted to redeem myself because I have baby child syndrome and I hate losing, so overachiever, so I'm doing it again. But I'm only doing 1 pack this time because that is usually how I always do my other ones, and also wanted to not torture Anicia all the way.
Thank you.
I'm a good friend. You guys know the drill. We have 1 pack. I'll cut it open for you. Try not to get it on your fingers and don't touch your face. I'll do it for you. Don't. So if you guys haven't seen my last one for the Volcano Noodles, check it out. For those of you who don't know, Anicia and I are from Houston, which explains the gear. I got it on my finger! I want to lick it, but I don't want to. This one is just like sesame seeds and seaweed.
I don't really like sesame oil. Oh well.
You trust me, you won't even taste it. Mix it all, oh that sound. Mix it all together. You know what the sucky thing is? Like it tastes really good.
Alright, oh my god.
You gotta make sure it's all mixed in there. Trust me, it should be way redder than that. Sorry for those who hate fork scraping sounds. I'm sorry, not sorry!
Suck it up.
Yeah, because we're about to suck it up big time. For y'all. We made this for you!
Like that.
I feel like hers is redder than yours.
Des? I'm sorry.
Mix it up.
I am mixing it, ho! Ah! Get off my fingers. I licked it. I want to lick it. I'm sorry.
I'm ready.
Ready. See? All my friends like SpongeBob. I'm sorry. I hope you still want to be my friend after this.
We'll see.
And go.
Not bad. It builds up, huh?
Yeah. This is the hottest one, I swear.
It's so good though.
I know.
Making progress.
I just want to get it over with.
Hey! Just gotta move around. You're like halfway there. Ooh, that one hurt.
Yeah, it's gonna get worse.
Oh.
Micheladas.
I feel like she's so concentrated. She's just like.
I like to go, but wow. But that's our friendship. Anicia's always like the more calm one.
Oh, I feel a tear. We're almost there, almost there. I'm like staring at my milk and I'm like, I can't wait to drink you, baby. Oh, this close to the last bite. Last bite. I'm crying.
We finished at the same time. Yeah.
Oh, I'm crying.
We did it!
Oh. Put the AC on.
Are your cheeks numb?
I'm crying.
Okay, I gotta be careful on chugging milk because I will throw up. I don't know what to do.
Is the spiciness still there?
Yeah, for sure.
It's just all in your mouth. No! Cue sad music.
I just want like the milk to just stay in my throat.
But it will, yeah. Because it's like a relief. Like putting cortisone on an itch. Right? Is it on itches?
I'm sweating.
We finished at the same time. Yo, we killed it. Getting hot, hot, hot. All right, y'all. I've done all
Redemption.
of it.
Because you did it.
It was good. Mom didn't raise no bitch. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Conclusion is that is the hottest noodle challenge. And I've done all of them.
That is so spicy. That's like Ruchi's green hot sauce like ×5.
Yeah.
Do you remember?
Freaking oh my god. Did I make the mistake of eating that when we were drunk with that? Okay, yeah. Thank you so much for watching the video.
I don't know if we're gonna be friends. Just kidding.
It itches. You've been friends with me this long. You might as well just keep going. Like, give up now. Thank you for watching. I can't even talk. Really, my face feels numb and my head gets stuff. It's all crazy. If you like this video, give me a big old thumbs up. If you want to go say hi to Anicia, I'll put her Instagram below. She got a pretty face.
Little waist and a big behind.
So thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time. Bye. Disappear. Bye. I got like a face full of her ass. I ain't complaining.